Make your own application like Amazon. Now you can launch your own application like Amazon, Flipkart. As you know, Amazon is the biggest e-commerce company in the world, and now you can launch your own application like Amazon. Make multi-vendor application like Amazon. People can create an account and people can choose the category they want to order like electronics, fashion and much more. People can wishlist the item. People can choose different languages available. People can shop the products and they can order online on your application. If you want to make your own application like Amazon and Flipkart, this is the best solution for you with complete online payment, multi-vendor shopping experience and much more. For more, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen so our team can help you and make your own multi-vendor application with push notification, product option, with profile option and much more. Customer can register and make a order. Sellers can register and upload their items and you can earn commission on each sale. Starting your online business like Amazon is easy. You can now launch it in your city or in around the world. People can track their order and manage the items. So if you want to start your own business like Amazon and Flipkart, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen so our team can help you and make your complete multi-vendor application like Amazon.